What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, finally today, just got home from Maryland last night. Gonna drop off rental cars, and then go pick up my car. First we're dropping off my wife's car, then we're gonna go get my car, then drop off the second rental car. So hopefully that makes sense. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and run and do that real quick, and I'll pick up when we are at Ryan's.
1 hour later.
Alright, there she go. Looking good. Let me know what you guys think. Got those brakes done. But yeah, got the roof done. May have to wait till it's nighttime to really get a good look at that. See Kiwi out. Hey Kiwi. Alright, so we're going to be doing a full video on this here soon. Getting everything dialed in. I think probably after the rotors we'll do a full video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
That'd be pretty dope. There she is.
5 hours later. I
know this is quite the cut, but it's nighttime, and here you have it. This is probably the mode I might keep it in. Just a fading mode. I doubt I'd do something with like flashing or something. Maybe Christmas. I don't know if I want to do that or not. Or might do a breathing. Or might just keep it at like hanging out at blue. And I noticed that see, I got this one. Got it in the back as well. But I have it set to a custom theme for the one on the bottom. I wasn't sure if once the car is turned on it would automatically sync to it, but it looks like it has, because I set it, turned the car off, turned it back on, and it started with the default color, and looks like it's still going. So yeah, I think you did a great job. I had a little issue with the remote where I didn't know what I was doing, but Ryan kind of hooked me up and let me know what was going on. But yeah, it's definitely dope. If you're in the Central Florida area and interested in getting it done, definitely hit Ryan up. Homie does a great job, and he has some good prices, so definitely hit him up. Way cheaper than these shops that's trying to charge you like $1,000 to get it done. So definitely hit him up. I'll have a link straight to his Instagram in the description below, so you can just click it. But yeah, definitely appreciate it. And he hooked the car up big time, because yeah, I needed a wash bad, and he hooked me up, so I appreciate that. And but yeah, I think it came out well. Let me know what you guys think. A lot of people was asking if I was gonna paint the headliner. Originally the thought was that it would need it, but I mean, during the daytime you don't really see it too much. It's still on, you can see it, but when it's nighttime and it's shining, like, you don't even really, it don't matter that it's not black. So I think it's good just the way it is. But definitely let me know what you guys think, and if you guys are interested in something like that. But yeah, this is a quick little video. I think maybe my next video it might be stage 3, because a lot of people have been asking me to come up with that video, just going over every mod on the car. So I think this is a good point to really do that. So definitely stay tuned for that. So I was about to end the video, but I figured I would check the app itself. I installed the app and was going through the modes, and I like it better than the remote, because the remote is pretty basic. I mean, it has like 20 something buttons, like 21 buttons on the remote, but of course you can get way more on the actual app itself. So I still got to play with it, because it says it also has like a meteor function and a twinkle function. So I kind of would need to play with that, see how that works. But this one looks pretty good. But I think I might stick with the blue and teal colors like the rest of the car. That might be the route that I go. But yeah, they do also have a white, like all white that you can do, which is cool. Give it more of that. Let's see. There we go. So yeah, it's weird. It doesn't look like it's got a few different colors on the screen, so I'm not sure if it's coming in fully white to you guys, but it's pretty clear white to me. So, well, just switch back to the cyan, cyan color. But let me know what you guys think, and what colors would you rock or suggest that I rock, because they all look pretty good. I haven't really checked out the purple. Let's see, we got the color wheel, so let's see what else we can come up with. But yeah, I'm probably gonna be playing with this for a little bit, instead of just going over every single color you can get. Probably going to end the video, but yeah, that's pretty much it for it. So thanks for tuning in. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget, merch link is in the description below. Copy your merch. We have banners that should be up now as well. You can get it the regular size, the smaller size, and then just like a window smaller size, even smaller than that. So definitely take a look at the website. We update that randomly. So, but yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.